to transfer files from Dropbox to Google Drive, open the Dropbox application on your device. Tap on the files icon that you can see at bottom. You can see all of your files over here. You cannot directly transfer the files. You'll have to manually download and upload it in the Google Drive. Tap on the three dots right next to the file that you want to transfer. Scroll down. Tap on the option Save to Device. Select the destination of your choice and tap on the option Save. Now once it is downloaded, open the Google Drive. Tap on the plus icon that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Upload. Tap on the file that you just saved from the Dropbox. Tap on the option Select. You can change the file name, location and account if you want. Tap on the option Upload. Now you can see over here the file will be uploaded. Like this, you can transfer the files from Dropbox to Google Drive. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.